Good morning, guys. How are we doing? Welcome to Friday, October 1st. It has been a crazy, crazy good day. Guys, just so you know, on this channel, I just ended up calling out our 47th for 47th win. We have not lost a single trade on this channel, guys, and this pump is doing so well for us. I've literally had people make $10,000, $6,000 on this pump. So I am going to be going over those testimonials today because it's kind of fun. I like to do it on Friday. But if you guys are like, what is this guy? Who is this? Brand new to the channel. Guys, we're live trading crypto on every single one of these videos. This is my personal live account. I'm up 11,223. I'll refresh this here to show you guys this is a real account here. See where we're at. 223 is where we're currently at. We're down a little bit. Totally fine. 11,193. This is Coinbase of where I trade. Okay, guys. Here are some testimonials real quick that I want to share with you because it is Testimonial Friday. Okay, this individual here, he took his account from $33,000 and it is passing $40,000. This is just within this last week. Okay, it's Friday, like from Monday to Friday. Crazy. Also went from $39K in his account up to $46K. Insane. $46,000, okay? This guy made 1,000 euros while he slept, which is probably my favorite testimonial in here this morning. Okay, I love this too because it's not like, a ton of money, but he did really, really well, guys. Started off with $300 this week alone and took profit for $250. Guys, that's almost 100% profit here. I made $2,000 in 2 days. Guys, people working, I used to make $1,900 a month was the highest. Well, actually, $1,990 is the highest I ever made when I used to work at Costco and working, full-time 40 hours a week. He did $2,000 in 2 days. And he did this with safe trades. I'm telling you guys, we're trading safe and people are making a ton in here. All right, won 5 trades in a row here. This is super cool. 2,000 profit here, which is really nice. This guy ended up coming in and he made about $10,000 profit. $10,000 profit, and then on here he made another $6,000 profit here, 3.6 thousand. I'll end this here. I know it's a lot here. All that being said, I'm up around 10K this week and $40,000 he's up in the last 3 weeks. 3 weeks using the system that we're talking about here, guys. 7 to 10%, $1,000 in here, and so on. You guys just keep reading this. Like, it's insane. Like, we had a guy do $60,000 in here. I've shown you guys this before. This is cool. Like, basically, $1,800, $500 in 12 hours. It's just nuts. 7,700. Okay, let me get over to VET. That's what you came for. I'm just excited for you guys because we are doing so well, and as a community, I just get jacked when we're all just like being successful together. Okay, watch this. The trend exhaustion is what I want you guys to be watching very closely right now when I point this out, as well as the price versus the one money flow. The trend exhaustion is going up in price. You guys have 5 hours left. It's in the description as well as the first comment of this YouTube video. These are sold separately from the membership. Here you guys go. Make this really fast. The bundle pack is the best deal. This will not go up in price. The trend exhaustion and the trend exhaustion is going up in price in 5 hours. The price versus the one money flow is going up this month, okay? Everything. I'm just going to keep raising the prices of these because I believe they are worth more, to be just simply blunt honest, okay? But I'm not raising the bundle pack, so this will always appreciate in value. Okay, let's go. So, were we able to call this move back up? Absolutely we were, and it was with the indicators in here. So watch this, guys. Take a price range from the bottom to the top. The indicators did call a 33% move. You're like, how is that even possible? Watch. If you guys understand from the past videos that I've been teaching you guys in here, this is what we need to watch. Whenever you have the price structure create a low and another lower low and it moves down, this is where most retail traders end up selling. How do we know this? Because simply it's moving down. Like, there are way more red bars than there are green. But follow me here. Here's why you guys need these indicators. Watch. The green line is the well money flow. This made a low, and while this was making a lower low, this made a higher low on this indicator. Watch the trend exhaustion. Created a low. What happened over here when this created a lower low? This created a higher low. What this is telling us is this green line is literally pulling from on-chain metrics to say, hey guys, money is flowing into the market here. This cannot keep going down. This is exactly how we called the drop on Bitcoin. Back here, like exactly. Watch this. I'll show it to you again. Money is moving out of the market. Price is moving up. We did not FOMO in up here. We waited till we got all the way back down here and we literally bought 88 at $2.02. Okay? It's been crazy on this channel. These indicators are calling moves before they happen. These are not what's called lagging indicators. They are leading and they do not repaint. I've coded TradingView indicators for a living 2 years ago for TradingView.com, guys. I know what these indicators can do. I pulled the best of all my knowledge of trading for 3,000 hours, working with hedge funds. I am making you guys a ton of money on here, and I hope that's not arrogant, but it's like God has blessed me with just like the wisdom and knowledge to come in here and bless you guys. That's how I want to put that and how I want to be remembered here. Like, we are doing so well, and the testimonials are insane what you guys are coming out with. So what we were able to do is we used these two indicators in here, and it showed us what was happening behind the charts, guys. If you're using the RSI and these other things, you might be able to see it, but when money is flowing into the market right here, when you guys see this moving up here, and you see price action moving down, this is how we were able to call it move up. I also called this in the Telegram channel as well, that we saw divergence forming, and I was telling you guys, watch for the bear trap move down, and then we're probably going to see a move back up. That's exactly what happened. They called a 33% move. Get these indicators on your chart, guys, because now let's move into this section. If you guys have been watching this, the trend exhaustion historically, when we push up into the top red section here, it is calling literally almost every single drop in the market. We called it right here with the top red section. We saw this green line as well here. This ended up calling the consolidation period before we saw the move down. Yes, it did end up calling the drop over here, which I was just talking to you guys about right there. If you ever get an overextension of the price while this is moving down, this is that divergence that I was telling you guys about, and you really need to watch out for fast moves down in the market, okay? This will show you guys when jackpot moves are about to come. I don't want to like stimulate you guys too much, but seriously, when this starts moving up here and the trend exhaustion moves up and the money moves down, watch for some jackpot moves. That's why we literally have traders in here, in this last week. It's been like literally $6,000, $10,000. You guys saw that. A guy's up $40,000 in the last 3 weeks just using our metrics and our system. It is insane. Get these indicators on your charts, guys, because I am looking for a possible move back down here. Now, for VeChain, I'm not calling any exits here, guys, because we're just barely in the profit right now for the current VET. We're up 3.50%. Let me take this out of the way here real quick. So we're up right now 1.41. So I'm just holding this trade, guys. Our first entry was up here at 12 cents. Our second one was at 9 cents. And here's where you guys are at. All right, let's go over the metrics today. But I first want to start here. You guys are like, awesome. Travis, you're 47 for 47. Your community is kicking butt. I want to trade with you. Okay, let's do this then. Come over here to pricing, and I guys want you to come in here. It's $49 a month. I've said this on the last videos. I do not have a specific date, guys, but I am looking to up the price of this because we are making a ton of money in here, and it's obviously worth more than $49 a month. I know for a fact it is. I've just been keeping it low because I want to get retail traders in here to help you guys, and I don't want to charge like $400 or $500 a month because I know I could. Just because I could doesn't mean I want to. I want to help you guys who are in here. So get it? I will grandfather you guys in. So that means if you guys buy $49 a month right now, if and when I do increase the price of this, you will not pay more than $49 a month if you just keep your membership. You will get grandfathered in. Great. Okay, once you do that, come over here and click on any of these coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, whatever, okay? We're obviously talking about VeChain. Click into VeChain and you're going to see a chart that looks like this. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. If you have $1,000, follow me here, guys. If you have $1,000, place 25% of your trade at each one of the buy limits. This is exactly how we're trading, and we are 47 for 47 wins. You're going to take $1,000, but 250, 250, 250, 250. Here's your exact buy limits. These are going to update every single morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? Once your first one gets hit, you're going to set your sell limit up here. Here's a question I'm getting, guys. If I update this and you guys see lines updated and you have not had your first buy limit hit, you just need to simply update your buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not change any of these other buy limits. Keep them where they're at and let the trade play out, okay? If you have any questions, literally just go down here, watch this video, or email me, and I'll be here to help, okay? That's how we're getting in here. So let's go over the metrics now for VET to see if we can kind of give ourselves a prediction of what's happening here. All right, these are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The emotional index for retail traders was sitting down here in the anxious section, and even, guys, we actually pushed down into the fearful section down here for VET. This was the perfect time to be buying down here. I know some of you guys got picked up down here and you guys did really well and you're already in the profit. If you are, I am going to be calling this official call right now, guys. I would look to take at least 50% or 100% out of the market here because you guys are doing very well. Now, I'm only going to record and I'm only going to keep transparent 47 for 47 wins because I can always tie these back to a YouTube video for solid proof. Yes, we have traders that I've literally had questions from you guys. You're like, Travis, you've already won like 2 or 3 other trades, right? I'm like, yes, I do know that because people are getting it at different times, but I will never come out here and try to tell you guys I won something if there is not video proof of it. It just wouldn't be fair and it's not transparent. And And honestly, guys, it's not how you run a righteous business. Honestly, like if unless there's proof that I can show you guys that we won all these, I'm not going to come out and say we won something. So that is why, yes, I've already had traders win on this, but we've been holding this, and I won't call a win until this trade has won. Okay, let's move down here. So watch this. When you guys see the emotional index move into the bottom fearful section, if you scroll down here with me, what's happening here is you are going to have whales and institutions buy this up like crazy. Like it is Christmas time, and you've got that 50-inch screen TV on discount. They are buying, guys. It is what's called demand taking over into the market. Long trades, guys, this is what's been pumping up the price here. Also, if you guys come over here and you look at the long versus short trade risk, you guys can see that the risk was not on taking, the risk was taking short trades. The least amount of risk was taking long trades down here. And watch when this updates here, literally in an hour, you guys are going to be able to see this, that we've seen a price shoot back up, okay? Again, right down here, long trades. We are dollar cost averaging, guys. We don't need the price to go up every single time we get down here and enter to great long trades. We have buy limits where this can go down further and further and further. What this does here, guys, is it shows you with actually pretty crazy accuracy which side of the market you want to be on in the long term, because that's going to give you guys more of an indication of when we're going to head down or move up. Incredible, guys. Watch this down here. Well, and institutional smart money is telling us that they have been acquiring long trades, guys. It is not time to be selling. I've been like saying that so many times, guys. I know a lot of people sold right here. I know a lot of you guys, you sold off your positions right here because what happened is a lot of people FOMO'd into the top up here. They started losing money and they said, hey, if we break the support line, we're just going to sell. That's what you guys did, and we saw a bunch of red candles, okay? That's not what should have been happening. I know this is in the past, and give yourself grace here, but learn from this, trade with our system, and we're going to be getting into lower positions. We are always going to buy on discount. We are never going to FOMO into trades. I would never tell you guys to jump in on this right now, but I know a ton of people jumped in on this and they're writing this up. Yes, you can make money, but it is far better to wait. Okay, let's get over here, and I'm going to end this video after this. Support resistance prices. If this thing heads up, I'm looking for the greatest stall out to be at 12 cents. All right, well, let's go to 12 cents here. It basically puts us at the structure high here, which is pretty close to where our first buy limit was at. If and when that gets hit, this will be a nice trade profit of about 20%. Now, if we get anywhere close to about 11.5 or 12 cents, I'm going to be calling an exit in here, and I'll call that in the Telegram group for you guys, okay? But here's what I want you guys to watch right now. I know the trend exhaustion is up here, and the price versus while money flows up here as well. So I would not doubt it if we do start seeing a move back down. I understand if we crash here a little bit, that is predictable. I think there needs to be a higher low formation that would be healthy for VET to keep continuing back up. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching that, all right? Let's come over here and just do a couple other things. This showed you guys that an incredible dollar cost average entry came out for VET just a couple days ago. That was predicting the bottom here, guys. Our metrics are predicting the bottom here, okay? If you guys are watching this, this is clearly showing you that we can see moves back up in the market here. This happened before right here. Incredible amounts of money were made right here as well as here. Again, this is for holders. If you guys want to hold for 5 to 10 years, that's fantastic. You guys just got an incredible entry here for those of you guys wanting to hold. Down here, exit points. I am watching for this, guys. Now that we are in, obviously this long trade, if price structure keeps moving up here and we get a red line, I am watching this to exit probably 25 to 50% of the trade for VET. Guys, this has been so much fun this week, and we're doing so well. Make sure you guys are watching the Telegram channel. Here's what you need to do. Get your membership over here. You guys know the profits they're making, $49 a month. Set your trades up right now, because I'm not doing videos on the weekends. The weekend I take off with my family, go to church, okay? We spend time to relax on the weekends. Guys, I'm not going to tell you guys, like, here's the profits we're making and you need to trade this every single day. No, we need to value our families. We need to value our friends. We need to value rest in our lives. So that's why I don't do videos. I am doing what I'm preaching to you guys. I do not do videos on the weekends. Guys, we don't do email support. Like, we will get back to all of you guys. I promise you, first thing Monday morning. But guys, all of the metrics here, set your trades up right now. Get the buy limit set up in there. All of the indicators, you guys get immediate access to the source code as well as the tutorial video of how to set them up on your TradingView charts over the weekend. Everything you need, you guys have. Literally everything. And if you guys have questions, email me at betradeconfident@gmail.com. So guys, congratulations. Set up your trades. Come make money with us. This is not financial advice. I have to say that this is entertainment purposes only. But guys, you've done fantastic. Traders, great job. We won our 47th for 47th trade. Get everything set up. Everything you need is in the description. The trend exhaustion is going up here now with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 5 hours left for the trend exhaustion. It's going up at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I will see you guys on the next videos. Congrats, guys. God bless you so much. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.